Alright. First call of the week. Got a Plymouth Fury we're grabbing for pit stop. Guessing it's around back, but we gotta make sure that's the case before we just go back there. So let's go see. Don't see anybody. Pit Stop does detailing here in Scottsdale. If you need any detailing done, give them a call. Let's see what we can see. Morning, morning.
Good morning.
Yeah, he's a very sweet.
Picking up that Plymouth Fury.
Oh,
Yeah. Is it around back?
yeah, let me walk you around.
Okay.
I need to move some shit around, kind of.
Okay. You want me to pull around back, or are we pushing it out here?
Right here, bro.
Oh, okay. It's going to vintage iron, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
We're gonna have to, well, I'll pull this one out and then we can just push it underneath here.
Sounds good. Thing's long.
Yeah, she's long and fucking heavy.
For a two-door, too. Super long.
Yeah.
That's
but
crazy.
You know about the classic cars, they're built to last. Not
Right.
like this used to.
Right.
The new shit is more of weight reduction. Make it lighter,
Right. Built to fail.
Yeah, those ones were built to last.
All right. Martini GT500, Countach, Bentley, Lamborghini of some sort, Ferrari of some sort, Raptor, and then this piece. Sport Fury Command V8. All right. Not sure what year it is. Let's see. There's a plate on it, but I don't think it's an actual plate. You know what year this thing is?
What happened?
You know what year it is? 60 something, I'm sure. It wasn't on the ticket. I want to make sure I get that if we can. It's not going to be in the door, yeah. No worries.
Let's see.
Might say on the key tag.
True. It's a 66.
66? Okay, cool. 1966. Plymouth Fury. White in color. Perfect. All right. We're just pushing it just outside?
You can just push it and it should go straight.
Okay, let me go on the other side so I can watch that side.
Sounds good, man.
Ugh, shit. All right, ready?
Yeah.
Oh, it's pushing me.
She's heavy, but once she starts, she starts.
All right. Oh my God. I have like no traction on the floor. There we go.
Maybe I'm gonna have to.
Ready?
These fucking shoes are super fucking slippery.
Oh my God. Dude, I'm like, look at.
If anything, leave me go ass. My fucking life is so hot.
Fuck. Yeah, usually we got it. This thing's a boat.
Yeah.
This Countach is sick. I need like running shoes so they actually grip the floor.
Yeah,
These vans don't. Yeah. Oh, come on.
What type of shoes do you have, Colin?
Same ones as I got.
Not that grippy.
Yeah.
Pushing us back.
I guess we're all the same.
All right. We got about 4 to 6 inches on this side.
We're good on that side.
Okay. Cool.
We got?
A little bit more. Just took the front wheels out.
And then after that, you can drag it or what?
Yeah, yeah.
Or, I mean,
Perfect right there. Yep. No need to kill ourselves more than we have to. Thanks, guys.
Yep.
All right. Love the epoxy floors, but holy shit, they suck to push stuff on. Okay. So, oh, I didn't even say, I got my truck back, but my bed lights are working now, but my beacons, I guess, is a separate issue, and the beacons are burnt out. So I still don't have those, but at least I have bed lights, like, for at night, so people can see my truck. It's a little dangerous to not have them. I was rolling around with the hazards on for a couple of days just because that's one was honking at me. All right. Number 7. Guessing it's like one of 50 or 100 or something. Martini GT500. Your guess is better than mine. Nay, better. Still early. I meant to say, your guess is as good as mine, nay, better. I'm an idiot. It's all good. 36,000 original miles. Oh my gosh. It's the same thing that was in the other truck. My strap got messed with, apparently, by Midco. So when there's that much of the chain part hanging down, it makes the bed not sit flat. That side too, damn. And then the bed like cams over, falls to the ground, but it makes a really gnarly sound, and it's probably not good for my bed. Oh no, that one's fine, okay. All right. And we don't have to use the stupid foam piece anymore. We got our, back to our crescent wrench. What was that, a Land Cruiser? FJ? Whatever the heck those things are called. Old yellow Toyota thing. Alright, we need this. And so don't tell me they lost my adjustable. Alright. Ooh. Alrighty. Let's see. We want this way. Ooh. Alright, let's see what kind of suspension a Fury has. Okay, typical Dodge stuff of the era. And the car's kind of low, I can't reach. Yeah, I can't reach a damn thing. This sucks. Well, we're gonna have to go over the top then. Because I still can't reach it. Give me this. Damn it. Oh my gosh. Okay. These arms are like beefcake style, but they're so far back. The car's also kind of low for what it is. Alright. Damn. Getting me all dirty on my first call. Love it. This thing sucks. The car is cool, but it's just no room to get under it. Come on. There we go. Make sure we don't grab the tire out, of course. Luckily, it's pretty far back. What's even more annoying about this call specifically is we're only going around the corner. Now my dispatcher's texting me for some reason. Okay. Alright. I feel like this call is taking me forever to get this on the truck, so I apologize if that is the case, but kinda is what it is. Guessing it's auto. It is. So let's throw it back in park. I don't want to touch the steering wheel. I still got my glove on. All right. Ooh, almost fell. All right. And the usual 4 baskets for this Plymouth Fury Commando V8. That's why the tires are low. That's why we couldn't push it very easy. And it's heavy. Combination. Are the things on the door factory? They almost don't look like it, but I bet they are. That's kind of cool. Trim that like thins out and comes up. Very nice. Oh man. Let's see, hopefully we can get under there. Let's see, oh man, there's like no room. Probably could have made the bed higher. Make this easier on myself. Would also help if these wheels weren't massive. Damn it. Let's get it a little higher. It's not killing my back. And I couldn't reach. Let's see. Kidding me right now? hell? Almost don't even want to do the other side. It's only going 2 miles, but you better do the other side too. Do it right. Do it correct, guys. Ugh, this one's kicking my ass. Okay. Midco spilt a bunch of death on my bed, it looks like, somehow. Alright. Come on. Hello? What the hell? I think that's behind it. I think we're good. Yep, okay. This one's low too. Old front tires are super low. Come on. Nope. Why is this side not wanting to go down there? It's getting caught on the suspension on the top. There's like 1/4 inch, not even, probably 1/8 of an inch from the tire to the suspension. Alright. Never thought a Plymouth Fury would eat my lunch first thing in the morning. Wasn't too bad, but definitely could have been a little more smooth. Alright, I'll pick back up at Vintage Iron. Damn, they dusted my bed. Frickin' Midco. Whatever, doesn't matter. Busy morning here at Vintage Iron. There's nowhere to put this thing, so let's see where they would like it with its 2 low front tires and not running condition. Morning, morning.
Hey, how's it going?
Where would you like that thing dropped? Plymouth Fury?
Oh.
66 from Pit Stop?
Oh yeah. Is there anything in the red zone?
Yeah, the Chevelle and one out of the way.
Yeah. Move something out of the way. He's gonna move a car out of the red zone there behind past the door.
You got it.
Up there.
Thanks, man.
Thanks.
I think he means, yeah, he said past the door, so that one. This thing's cool. International Scout. sick 3rd gen Camaro back there. Hell yeah. Guessing they're gonna move the Scout and the Chevelle. And hopefully the Camaro too, but that one's not in the way, it's just kinda.
Yeah, I gotta get this Scout in here.
They are in fact moving all 3. We love it. Lots of cool stuff around here today. Well, every day probably, but just now. Ooh, shit. Almost fell. And my AC doesn't seem to be working, so we love that. Well, he was moving the Chevelle, but it's looking like it's not moved yet, so we will give them a second. We'll probably cut this part up because you guys don't want to be waiting around with me. All right. Ay, ay, ay. Let's put the bed back up so I can grab those. Ay, ay, ay. Alright. Put it back down. Could probably roll it down, but not gonna. Not going to. No reason for me to sit in the 36,000 mile Plymouth Fury. Ugh. Did not like that. Car moved ever so slightly. All right, let's get it out of here. Ooh. She's heavy. Plymouth. Moose. All right. Let's put her back in park. Get her unhooked. And get out of here. Oy. Alright. Oh, you're good. Oh man. I really don't want to take my truck back to the dealer for the AC because I know it's going to be a couple days again. So annoying. We've checked the Freon like 4 or 5 times every time this happens, and it's not that, so. Or the refrigerant, whatever it's called now. I don't know. Drop-off picture and get out of here.